Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Monday, the 22nd of July. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. Today we'll be focusing upon China and the third Plenum, which concluded at the end of last week. Now, in our earlier podcast this month, we talked about the two most likely themes for the Plenum, both which planned out, and they were deepening of existing reforms and high-quality growth. So therefore, the base case scenario is for China to continue putting out piecemeal instead of doing bazooka-style stimulus. Now, while these were well expected by investors, what was a slight surprise was the Plenum's unusual discussion of near-term issues, which signaled a sense of urgency after the second quarter GDP miss, and that could mean incremental stimulus is underway. Now, fiscal reform, including consumption tax and financial reform, such as monetary policy framework overhaul, should be most likely in line with market expectations. However, there's no explicit push on consumption rebalancing, and that could be a disappointment for some investors, given the lingering deflationary pressures. It was this point, I believe, that investors were focusing upon in the immediate price action after the conclusion of the Plenum. The Hang Seng Index continued its downward move, and technically, this may take it down to the 16,000 level in the medium term. So we would take a cautious stance there and continue to be focusing upon the non-financials high dividend yielding SOEs, which is an opportunistic idea of ours. Globally, we believe the current focus is on the Trump trades. The highly crowded growth stocks are currently hit by wobbles from news such as increasing chip restrictions on China. Now, these Trump trades in US financials, energy, and small caps are lightly positioned, less expensive in valuation versus growth stocks, and benefiting from the increasing positive clarity on Trump's re-election chances. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.